How to unfollow someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and I'm here to guide you on how to unfollow someone on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure to sign in to your particular account. Now go to Profile Feed by tapping the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On this profile section, at top right corner, you will see the following. Select that. And then here you will see all the list of the followings that you follow on Instagram. Simply in order to unfollow someone on Instagram, you can tap on three dots, add their username, and then select unfollow option. So simply this is the way in order to unfollow someone on Instagram. The second way is simply you need to tap on the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen, tap the search bar at top of the screen, and then type in the name of the person that you want to unfollow. Tap on following at top left corner and then simply select unfollow. And this is how you can successfully unfollow someone on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.